Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the laptop. Once done, remove any user-accessible battery. Make sure you wear an ESD strap and work on a non-conductive surface so you don't fry components. Remove screws from the service panel and keep them organized in a labeled tray. Take a photo of the internal layout. Now, gently pry the panel open following plastic clips. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid cracking plastic, so you can access the LAN card area directly. You'll see the LAN card secured by one screw and thin antenna cables. First, note which cable goes to which terminal, label them if needed. Carefully lift the antenna connectors straight up using a spudger or fingernail and set them aside. Remove the retaining screw and slide the card out at a small angle. Insert the replacement in the same orientation, press it down and fasten the screw. Then reconnect each antenna to its matching terminal so signal routing remains correct. You should now reattach the service panel, reinstall screws in their original spots, and reinsert the battery before powering up. Once the laptop boots, enter BIOS briefly to confirm the hardware is detected. Make sure the LAN adapter appears. Boot into the OS, install the manufacturer drivers if needed, and test connectivity by pinging a stable host or loading a web page. If the card isn't recognized, reseat it, check antenna seating, and try alternate drivers. Those steps fix most detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.